DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. Your boy is back in the lab. Yeah, man, Dan is back in the lab with another banger reaction, another bang up on your top. You see me answer until we're there with the Spartan boss. Yeah, man, we're there with Uncle D man himself, you know. The man that's father a lot of these nowadays artists, you know. Yeah, man, we're there with none of family Sparta, one of them Price. I've been getting a lot of requests for this. Big up Nakis, big up Davian Matthews, big up Blu-ray, big up everybody that's been requesting this one. You see me and say? Shout out to you guys. Y'all been blowing me up. Why for that? Y'all been messaging me a lot. You see me and say, gang? Yeah, man. So I check it out and see what I got to deal with. Yeah, man. The one named Tammy Sparta Price. Before we get into that, hit the like and subscribe button. Wrote it 10K, no man. You're only 2,500 away, no gang. So make that happen for your boy, no man. You don't know. Code is life. Do the right thing, man. Right, I know y'all got me. Littest community on YouTube, I ask guys. See me I say? Well, I jump right now, track right now. Tammy Sparta. The one named Price. Hey, let's get it. Disclaimer: all weapons used in this video are props. No real firearms were used during the production of this music video. Your discretion is advised. Wink, wink. I am. Hey! Fox! Three more talk less, man. Come in. Yeah, man. Yo, this sound bad. The production sound crazy.
Only put my trust in my God and my good. My name make them take on my soul. When you feel me, I laugh with the road. Come out.
Oh Lord, this sound nasty, gang. Go on, go on.
Into skin, bones to bones.
I feel like this nigga for us pads on this shit. Come on. So like whole family. Hold on. Oh, don't get me whoops up there. Come in.
Cool like hero. Drum them full up. Catch them in a bulk. Sweet me like syrup. 100 pull up. Big mama bush rock. People are hard, so when that I get boom up. Something like hero.
Yeah, man. Our whole family, this me feel it. I can feel it. We are putting something. All family lead this. I can feel it. Come in. We are starting from here, so come in.
Only put my trust
In a God, I'm good.
my name make them take
Take with my soul.
When you feel me, I laugh with the road.
Feel me, I laugh with the road, man. Now play with the come on.
When I'm ready, come out. The little weed for the gas for the roads. Into skin.
Hey, me see man, Jamal and Briscoe apart from what the end. So, oh, this a video in there. Okay, come on.
Bones to bones.
Skin to skin, bones to bones, boy. Listen, Spartan boys. Uncle D man himself. He watch you. Come in. The man a got spans, me know.
Cool like hero. Drum them full up. Catch them in a bulk. Sweet me like syrup. 100 pull up. Big mama bush rock.
Catch him in a bulky, sweet me like syrup. Come on.
People are
Come on, family. Me know you got spans. Come.
Drum them full up. Catch them in a bulk. Sweet me like syrup. 100 pull up. Big mama bush rock. People are hard, so when that I get boom up. Something like hero.
Something like hero, boy. Listen, Jamal. Mr. Dunn tonight too. Jamal, hey yo, come like Jamal bring out back family your vibes though. And then, hey, come in.
So when that I get boom up. Something like hero. Big dirty spaceship we have the phone. Boom. Cow killer bust him up too much. People are hard, if your body get boom up. Paranoid. Feed me with a few, give me a life.
Hey, come in on that shoot. I'm running dog blood. Clip. What is
Even
that?
though I'm a killer and he God, I'm an he saying a prayer under the street light. Protect me, Lord, you and me gonna love me, God. Mommy not gonna fool pussy, but up your mama.
Shit. Protect me, Lord. You are me gonna love me, God. No afraid of fool. See, mother put no mama. I'm two no man. Come in.
Me, Lord, you and me gonna love me, God. Mommy not gonna fool pussy, but up your mama. Jam me now where you heal, no must have been on me back. Hit me, go use, give them a surprise. If a boy wrong me, no care how, which place, which side.
What go up and pass Spartan boss?
Me
Oh, you mean? We no business away. You see you there. Yeah, man. Eat or sleep till you pay. Till you die. Till you pay the price, man. I want to you, boy. Yeah, man. We not eat and sleep, man. Yeah, we not eat, drink, sleep. Nothing. We have bleach. Yeah, man, we are meds 24/7, man. We are sleep on it, meds on it, wake up on it, brother. Yeah, man, you have to pay, boy. Come on. Till the day you die, you know, eat or sleep until you pay. Rifle with 100 pound clip, come on. I hear Shan this. Hey, Shan. All right. Got a rifle with a bus with remote. No bad like bottom pen, you will get bad like bottom pen. Eh? Hey, come in. Lie down, boy, this man for 90s. You know, in a sense. Come in now. Say you're a fool if you're this teacher. Can't tell my talk, come in. Wait, dog say red dot what? Hold on. Don't bring that red dirt. Sure. I don't say. What are you dog say? Don't bring that red dirt. This bar from Glenville. Man say your uptown green dot, red dirt. Boom, bang, 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 bang. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No red dirt client them come from the boy. I sleep until you pay the price. If a boy don't need, face which side. We don't care which face, which size, you know. You see me, which side of the pan in the boy. We not stop till the day dead. Come on. Eat or sleep until the day you die. Till the day you die. Till the day you die. Eat or sleep until the day you die. Easy. Spartan boss. Yeah, man. Old Tommy Lee, man. Yeah, man. They're on the 39. Hey! They're on the Dance himself, Briscoe. Yeah, man. Bring out the dark vibes, man.
Sparta, pussy in a rich. When I scam, when I have gunshot, when I have gun. Pussy in a have gal. When I have room for gal.
Bumbo, easy.
Bumbo, look for me, but listen me. Before hospital, my nigga them come for me right now, for.
With the blood clean.
I'm still in a coma. Don't fuck with yourself.
Blood clean. Mr. Dance himself, man. Yeah. Blood clean. Jamal. Yeah, John. Hey. Family. Sparta. Yeah, man. The one named Price. Full of vibes. That nice. Hot rice. Yeah, man. Bomba. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me like the one, the man. The Spartan boss did him thing for sure. You see me and say, old Tommy dog bring out, you know, man. Yeah, man. You coulda. A boy rob me. Me no care which size. Me nah eat or sleep until you pay the price. I want you, man. Easy yourself. Spartan boss. Yeah, man. Tamley, you did a thing on that one, gang. That's a banger. Add it to the playlist for sure. You see me, gang. Let me know one thing about the one there. You see me that active in the one there. Me not lie. Let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. Also, if you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know what's it dancing. You know. Also, let me know if your favorite part was beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff, gang. Yeah, man. Drop a request so you can get your shout out. Yeah, man. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, Tamley slid on that shit. Come like Uncle Demon is back. You see me, like old Tamley is back. I'm glad to see it. You see me, I say. Also, gang, drop your what be that? Oh yeah. Also, gang, road to 10K. So hit the like and subscribe button. We're only 2,500 away from 10K, gang. You see me? You trying to make that happen before the year ends, man. You don't know. Make you more active. You see me? I mean, if you drop more video, I'm gonna drop straight bangers. Oh, also stream later on. You see me 10 o'clock. So check that out. You don't know. We're gonna be late, gang. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Best reaction channel, best family, best subscribers, so supporters on YouTube. Now, ask Christ. Appreciate y'all. We're growing strong. Love you guys. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.